In this video, we'll look at how to use the Buy button to sell products outside your main online store. The Buy button allows you to sell products on external websites, blogs, landing pages, or anywhere you can paste a small code snippet. To get started, open the top right corner menu. Click Manage. Then select Order a new sales channel. Choose Buy button and click Next. Now give the channel a name. Choose what kind of products you want to sell through this channel. Then confirm your selection. Once created, the new channel will appear in the top right corner menu. Open it to access the Buy button admin area. In the Buy button admin, go to Products in the left-hand menu. Find the product you want to sell. Click the Action button on the right side of the product. Choose the type of button you want to create. Next, you'll see a ready-made code snippet. Simply copy this code and paste it into any external website. That's it. With just a small piece of code, your product can now be sold anywhere online.